everyone. This is Lyall, and I'm the representative of Mount Saint Vincent University. It is a public university which is located in Halifax, the capital city of Nova Scotia. We are one of the oldest institutions of Nova Scotia, which offers wide range of undergraduate as well as postgraduate programs for every field of study for students to opt for. I'm glad to inform that Canam is one of our most trusted and one of our top authorized partners of Mount St. Vincent University. And we are coming to the education fairs that are being conducted by Canam from 10th September to 24th September. So I request each and everyone who are watching this video to kindly book an appointment with Mount St. Vincent University, desk number 98, with their Canam counselors and get the chance to meet me directly and get your profiles assessed on spot. So hurry up, register soon, and I'll see you all there. Thank you so much.